Hello friends, welcome once again. This is CA Rajiv Katlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis, and I hope yesterday's technical levels did work well for you, and especially in the case of Reliance and Bajaj Finance, those of you who have observed the levels were almost precise levels which I had indicated. In the lower levels nearer to the lows which I had indicated, the Reliance as well as Bajaj Finance took support at those technical levels, so these were good targets for you. And even in case of Bank Nifty and Nifty, the upper resistance levels were also quite effective. So I hope you have gained by understanding these levels. Now for today's intraday levels, now let us go to the Nifty. This is spot Nifty chart. Just as like in yesterday, we will analyze the spot Nifty right now. Today right now we are at 9:45 a.m. and the trend deciding level for today, the Nifty is at 11,571. So safely 11,575 is your trend deciding level. So if the, as I said yesterday also, if the Nifty goes above and sustains above the 11,575 levels, then you can target the upper level of target which I have given here as 11,600. In alternatively, if the index is not able to break that 11,575 levels, in that case we can expect in the down move the markets can test, initially it can test 11,540 and subsequently further more selling pressure can take the Nifty nearer to 510, that is 11,510. So these are the levels for Nifty for intraday trading today. Please note that all the levels which I am indicating are only valid for the day, and each of these levels are technically calculated based on a couple of days of past data and the initial opening prices so of the day. So these are purely for the day technical levels. They are not valid for the next day. So this is as far as the Nifty is concerned. Now let me go to the Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty today, just a sec, yes. So Bank Nifty today has opened a slightly up gap, but subsequently it has it has fallen. The trend deciding level for Bank Nifty on spot, this is not the futures chart, but on the spot it is the trend deciding level is 22,430, safely 22,450 is your reference level for spot Bank Nifty. If the prices go beyond that and stays, then you will target 22,550, and subsequently if this is also broken on the upside, this is a resistance, please note, and if this is broken on the upside, that is 22,550, in that case we will target another 150 points on the upside, that is nearer to this previous high here. So it is 22,655. That will be the second level once the first level is taken care of. On the lower side right now, if you are observing the at 9:45 a.m. right now, the Nifty, the Bank Nifty is trading below the trend deciding level. So in case the downward movement continues, then we will target on the lower side 22,250. First level is your 22,250, and subsequently we can target the previous nearer to the previous low, which is 22,200. So these are the two levels for the Bank Nifty. As I said, this is a live analysis, and today right now we are at 9:45 a.m. 18th of September 2020. Now let me go to the stocks, and this is Reliance. On your screen what you are seeing is Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries yesterday I had given this technically we had given this level of 22.95. Those of you who remember, you can go to my yesterday's video also, and I had indicated specifically that 22.95 is a very crucial support for the Reliance. And if you are short in the morning, then you can cover your position nearer to this level. So yes, it took exact support at 22.95 and remained above that later on. Right now for today, the trend deciding level is 2312, approximately 2315. Unless and until it breaks this 2315 level, you will expect the prices to remain subdued. But once this is broken on the upside, you will target 2330 initially, and if the market still remains highly positive, in that case 2350 55 would be your second target. On the lower side, if the low of today's low means ki we are talking about the last half an hour of trading. If today's low is broken, I would target again the level of 22.95 as my initial good support, and if that is broken, then friends, you can expect another 20 rupees downward, that is 2275. Please note that these are our targets which I have calculated based on the past data as well as the current opening data of today, and these are good target levels for your trading positions which you already have. Bajaj Finance, now we'll discuss about Bajaj Finance. As you can observe right now, in the last candle, in the last 5-7 minutes, the Bajaj Finance stock has broken above the trend deciding level, which was placed at 3495, and right now it is quoted at 3497. So let the candle get closed, and once this is breaking this on the upside, your target for Bajaj Finance should be 3525 initially. That will be a resistance level, and therefore once it breaks this level, thereafter we will target another 20 rupees, that is 3545 levels. Please note that the initial levels of the either above the trend deciding level or below the trend deciding level, these are important resistance and support lines. And therefore normally as a good trader, what you can do is, if you are in a buying position here, you should book profit at the first level, and once the first level is subsequently broken, then you can target the second level. Normally I have seen that in my historical data on my technical levels, what I have seen is that the first level after the trend deciding on the upside and downside, they act as good resistance and support levels. On the downside, friends, if the rise in the bank Nifty, Bajaj Finance is not sustained, and if it breaks the 3480 level, which is the current low of the last half an hour, if that is broken, then we will target on the lower side initially 3465 or approximately 3460 levels, and subsequently 3441. These are the levels for Bajaj Finance, and please note, friends, that these are technical levels based on past data as well as the current data of the individual indices and the stocks. So I hope this will help you in your trading for the day, during the day. And of course, you can please after watching this video, please share your comments below the video, how you have found these levels during the intraday. One more point which I would like to add here, friends, is that if you are using some charting software, I would suggest that each of these levels which I have indicated, you can just draw them on your charts right now, so that as the time goes ahead, entire day, at 3:30 you will be able to understand, you will be able to observe how the prices behave when they come nearer to these technical levels which I have indicated. So friends, thank you very much for a patient listening, and I'm sure that if you do like this video, you do like this live analysis, please share it with your friends as much as possible. Thank you very much.